Hey! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Revert. After that, click on Theme, and now you can choose one of those by tapping on the best one for you, clicking on the switcher next to keyboarders and tapping on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Now select photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done, manage keyboarders and select Apply. After that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!